Here in Fresno, California, just finished installing a Waste King garbage disposal. It's the 1 horsepower provided by the homeowner. And then over here on this side, we replaced the basket strainer that's provided by us. That's straight out of Home Depot. So brand new basket strainer here. And then of course that's their disposal. I'm gonna get that rubber gasket in there. So anyways, a little fussy because they've got cast iron pipe in the wall back here for connections, and we tried to take the old adapter out so we could get ABS screwed into it, but we couldn't, and that's typical because it's old. It's not coming out of there without breaking something in the wall. So you can see back there you've got an adapter, trap adapter. Got a brand new nut on the front of it. We had one with us that we were going to use if we had to, but that's a brand new nut. So it's just a tubular piece of plastic in right there. And get down here so I can stop shaking a little bit. Anyway, so that guy, trap adapter, and then of course this one's backwards to get us back to ABS pipe because we needed to make a hard turn right there. This is a 60-degree turn, so you've got just a little short piece of pipe in between right there, 60-degree offset, short arm, another adapter back to tubular, and then of course up here at the garbage disposal, a little fun project as well. It's a high-low sink, and so it wasn't working well with our telescoping kit, and so what we had to do is drop it down, no big deal. Put a 45 on, and as you can see, it drops down, comes over, and that portion telescopes in and out. So we're going to run some water down and check it out. Outside of that, this installation is done.